Hello, my name's Adriana Villegas. I did my international game on High Alai. I know it looks like Jai Alai, but it's not. I looked it up just to make sure. So this game originated from Spain, and it soon later came to America in the 1904, and then it became very popular in the 1970s and the 80s. To the right here, you'll see the helmet and the gloves. Well, you don't see the gloves, but those are those were attached to the gloves. It's like a little basket. And then here's a little video that you can watch on how to play the game. Urdoza Menor, he was one of the famous players. He started playing professional High Alai when he was only 16 years old, and he was born in 1886. A lot of the players, they play until their 20s and 30s. He actually played in his 50s until he unfortunately he died on the court from a heart attack. So there's a book on him, Cultural History of the Fastest Game in the World. And they did wear helmets starting in 1967. So it's a little bit of the history because of the velocity of the ball would go up to like 150 miles per hour. So it was also a very dangerous game. It became popular in Cuba, and then it was banned after the revolution in 1959. It did kill several players. And then this is a little video showing you the pain that one of the players went through because he was hit by a ball. So basically, it's a three-wall court. You serve the ball. Kind of reminds me of racquetball. You serve it. It's a hard rubber ball against the front wall. And then the other player has to try to catch it and in a smooth, consistent motion before it bounces more than once. And then, so if you reach 7 points, you win. If you're playing the game Superfecta, you need 9 points to win. Basically, I've learned that it is actually part of my heritage. My last name originated from Spain, but I've never been to Spain, so it'd be interesting to go. So since it was banned after the revolution, it just started coming back in Florida. They do have 3 frontons. Those are courts that they actually play. So there's information on that. And then this is the homepage for that one. And that's it. Thank you very much.